Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant answering questions submitted by a student. And this is a classic topic from pre-calculus. So let's go ahead and talk about this. Oops. Be nice if we can bring it back. Okay. So difference between angular speed and linear speed. So let's suppose we start here and we end here. I'm going to do this same thing for both of these. So if I want linear speed, it's going to be this distance, the distance traveled. So it's going to be this length of this arc, right, which is going to be 1/4 of the circle. So whatever the length of the circle is, the length of this arc would be 1/4 of that. It's just length, it's just distance over time. And so that's linear speed. Now, if we talk about angular speed, well, that's this angle. How big of an angle did you make here? So it's just an angle over time. How large of an angle did you make divided by the time that was elapsed? And so, of course, angles can be measured in degrees or in radians. It doesn't matter, either one. So now that we've discussed the concept, let's go ahead and solve the question. Excuse me. Okay. Linear speed is distance traveled over time. That's true. Linear speed is always greater than angular speed. That question has no meaning, so we'll just put false here. Linear speed can be measured in miles per hour. Yes, miles are measured. Distance is measured in miles, so yes. Linear speed can be measured in degrees. No, that's angular speed. This is measured in degrees or radians, so this is false. Angular speed depends on the length of the radius. Nope. Doesn't matter how big the radius is. Angular speed is always the size of the angle that was created divided by time that it took to create that. So put an F here. Angular speed can be measured in degrees per second. Yes. Angular speed is the angle at which a point rotates in a given time. Well, the size of the angle isn't enough. It has to be angle over time. So this one is false. Angular speed can be measured in radians. Well, the angle size can be measured in radians, but it's radians per unit of time. So I'm going to put an F here. And that's it for this question. So hopefully this cleared up any issues you might have had. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.